Country number 1. Mexico. So the Mexican flag should be pretty straightforward, but I decided to go with orange for their coat of arms in the center, which, is more like a brown copper color, but obviously I don't have that. So I think the closest might be orange. There we go. Country number 2. Australia. Okay, so the flag of Australia is going to be extremely difficult for me to create because, as you can see, there's a lot of detail in this flag. I'm just going to use one red square for the top left corner. And as for the stars, so I think this is going to be one star, another star, and then I'm going to put one more right here. And just fill the rest in with blue for the background. I mean, obviously it doesn't look great, but best I could do. Country number 3. Nigeria. Nigeria is pretty straightforward. It's just a green stripe on each side and then a white stripe right in the middle. So this is pretty easy. There we go. Country number 4. Guinea. Same thing with Guinea. I'm gonna start with the yellow center stripe, and I'm gonna do the red one and then the green, and pretty straightforward flag. Country number 5. Germany. So I know I'm gonna get hate for this one, but as you can see, I don't have the color black for the black stripe in the German flag. So I'm just gonna go with blue. So just imagine it as black. Country number 6. Japan. Japan is pretty straightforward, so I found the red edge right here, and now I'm just gonna fill all the edges and the corner pieces with white. Just like that. Country number 7. Lebanon. So for Lebanon, I'm gonna use just one green square for the center, which will represent the cedar tree. And then I'm gonna do the red and white stripes on the sides. Country number 8. Luxembourg. Luxembourg, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna start with the white stripe in the center like that. Then I'm gonna add the red stripe at the bottom, and now I'm gonna work on the blue one. Italy, India, Brazil, and USA. Final 4. Country number 9. Brazil. Okay, for Brazil, I think I'm gonna just do one blue square for the center, and I'll fill the edge pieces with yellow to kind of create like a diamond effect. Something like this. And then I'll do green for the corner pieces to kind of give it that background look. Yeah, I like that. Country number 10. India. For the Indian flag, I'm gonna do a blue square for the center representing the circle chakra, and then I'm gonna do the white sides, the orange stripe right here, and then I'm gonna work on this green stripe at the bottom. USA and Italy are the final 2 remaining. Country number 11. USA. As you can imagine, for this one, I won't be able to create all the detail, but I'm gonna do blue in the corner, just like that, and I'm gonna do a red stripe, a white stripe, and a red stripe. Something like this. Close enough. So obviously that means Italy is country number 12. Italy, very straightforward. I'm gonna start with the white stripe in the middle, just like that. And I'm gonna do the green and red vertical stripes on each side to end it off. I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know if your country's flag was one of the ones that I created today. And if it wasn't, tell me where you're from and I might include it in part 2.